And here's I will show you how to download songs in Spotify. Let's open a song first of all, and now to download any song in your Spotify app, just tap on this download button. And now if you're using Spotify Premium, then you can easily download any song by tapping on this download button, or just tap on this three dot. Here tap on download and the specific song will be download. And if you're a Spotify free user and you want to download the song, let's see how to do it. After opening the song, tap on this three dot, tap on share, and here just copy the song link. Now go to a browser and search for Spotify song downloader, search for it, and open this website spotifydown.com. In this box, paste your Spotify song link and tap on download. And here, go down. And here you will find the playlist, album or the specific song. Just tap on download next to the song. Tap on download MP3. And that's it. The music has been successfully downloaded. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.